2% and scoop. Today, 2% drop and see. Hot gukjawi, 2% pongdang soon gan. Like Yuri Gusul Dongara Kame Chim. Look at Jasahi, you can see, full of the Jagyun Gipo. The small Gipo inside, hot and move. Time goes by. Bangwol Jum Jum Tu Myung Hajigo. Size as well Jakajam. Jamzi Voti Dun Bangwol. Finally, after Bangwol's boom. Quickly Jungbal and disappear. Maple syrup and scoop. This time maple syrup drop and see. Talk. Toes in syrup. Tong tong bouncing and from inside, voogle voogle rising. Gupum size jum jum smaller and color is jum jum jin hey jim like dalgona. Disappear hadaga suddenly, make bulk up start. Moo subgay getting bigger and bigger. Finally, all of the water jungbal sikigo. Just leave Seikaman Somsatang and bye bye. Water repellent coating and scoop. This time water repellent coating drop and see. By dropped in Chungkakuro, bang wool is separate to su sibgay. And many bang wools is fire. Because Baosu coating inside, there is Wivel Sung Yang Jae. It's fire in the Chogoan Gukja. In the fire, bang wool is Hongtae Yuzi and Saljak Hyundalim. And size is Jum Jum Jagaji Doni. Finally, boom once again and disappear with fire. Engine oil and scoop. This time, engine oil drop and see. Malkyun oil Pongdang Darojigo. Mommy oil looking for her baby oil. Park Chin mommy oil is Vuglo hot rising. And in the Vulvada, Iri Jori looking around. Engine oil is Jum Jum getting black and it throw up last power. Like Guillaume. Finally, it stop Mo Dun Dong Jack. Anyway, little bit sad story, engine oil. Polishing compound and scoop. This time polishing compound drop and see. It's like white chiak as drop on the hot gukja. Crazy jumping start. I'm sure she's Nopidiki Sunsu. Iri Jori Dizapimio. Compound is crazy jumping like this. With V Duem together, it makes some white guru. And then Jum Jum Power Sarajigo. Looks like it doesn't have jumping power. Finally, white guru Boonchul and burning black on the spot.